So I'll be showing you how to import voice memos into GarageBand on your iPhone. So if you have some voice memos like this ones, you find the voice memos up. Yeah, we do have some voice memos here.
Good morning. This is my test voice message. Thank you.
So let's say you want to import that voice memo into GarageBand. Now the first thing you have to do is send it into the GarageBand file transfer folder. So as soon as you install GarageBand on your iPhone, you can see I have it installed here. It's going to create a folder inside the Files app on your iPhone. So in Files, when you go to on my iPhone and then go to GarageBand, you should see a folder called GarageBand File Transfer. So what you want to do is transfer the audio file or the voice memo from the Voice Memos app into this folder. To do that, it's very simple. Just go to Voice Memos, just tap on that voice memo and then tap on the menu for that voice memo, and then from the share menu just look for save to files. If you tap on that, it's going to open your files up. Navigate to the GarageBand file transfer folder and then save it there. So once you do that, you can now go into GarageBand, and then inside GarageBand, if it's the first time, you'll see continue, and then let's go ahead and start a new project. So here you're looking for the audio recorder. Here we are. So just tap on that, and inside the audio recorder, just tap on this third icon, 1 2 3, this one right here. Just tap on that. That opens a timeline, and then now let's tap on this loop icon here, and that opens the Files app. Okay, as you can see, and of course immediately it's going to suggest for you by default the GarageBand file transfer folder, and you can see our file is right here.
My test.
So to add it, simply long press on it, and it's going to be added into GarageBand, from where you can play around with it.
Good morning. This is.
That is basically how to import a voice memo into GarageBand on your iPhone. It's very simple. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.